Have you ever cleaned your car windshield multiple times, but still notice annoying streaks, haze, or a foggy film when sunlight hits it? This is actually a very common problem. According to several automotive safety studies, over 60% of drivers unknowingly drive with reduced visibility due to a dirty interior windshield. The surprising part is that the inside of the windshield often gets dirtier than the outside: fingerprints, air conditioning residue, and smoke particles. But here is the interesting part. Japanese car owners and detailers use some incredibly simple methods that keep their windshields crystal clear without expensive products. And in this video, we are going to explore those Japanese methods to make your car windshield look like new again. Stick until the end, because method number 5 is a clever Japanese trick that many professional detailers quietly use to eliminate stubborn windshield haze permanently. First, let's discuss the preparation steps before cleaning your windshield. Before applying any cleaning method, Japanese detailing experts emphasize the importance of proper preparation. Automotive detailing studies suggest that nearly 70% of windshield streak problems occur because the glass wasn't properly prepared before cleaning. Step 1. Park your car in a shaded area and allow the windshield to cool down. Cleaning glass that is hot from sunlight can cause cleaning solutions to evaporate too quickly, leaving behind streaks and residue. Step 2. Remove any loose dust or debris from the dashboard and windshield edges using a soft microfiber cloth or a small detailing brush. Step 3. After that, gather the proper cleaning materials. Step 4. Finally, make sure the windshield wipers are lifted slightly or positioned away from the glass if you plan to clean both sides of the windshield afterward. Now, let's discuss the Japanese methods to clean the windshield. Number 1. The two-towel Japanese detailing technique. One of the most common mistakes people make when cleaning a windshield is using only one cloth. Japanese detailing experts almost never do this. Instead, they rely on the two-towel method, which dramatically reduces streaks. The process is simple but extremely effective. First, use a slightly damp microfiber towel with a small amount of glass cleaner or diluted alcohol to remove grease, smoke residue, and dashboard vapors. Immediately after that, you use a second completely dry microfiber towel to buff the glass. The reason this works so well is because streaks are usually caused by cleaning solution residue drying unevenly. Japanese car care professionals claim this technique alone can improve windshield clarity by up to 40% compared to single cloth cleaning. It is simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. Number 2. The isopropyl alcohol degreasing method. One of the biggest causes of windshield haze is plastic vapor from the dashboard. When the dashboard heats up in sunlight, it releases microscopic oils that stick to the windshield. Over time, this creates a thin, greasy film that normal cleaners struggle to remove. Japanese car maintenance experts often use isopropyl alcohol diluted with water to remove this stubborn layer. Alcohol is extremely effective at dissolving oils and evaporates quickly without leaving residue. The recommended mixture is about 70% alcohol and 30% distilled water. Spray a small amount onto a microfiber towel rather than directly on the glass to avoid dripping onto the dashboard. When applied properly, this method cuts through the oily layer and restores glass clarity almost instantly. Many professional detailers say alcohol cleaning can remove up to 90% of stubborn windshield haze caused by dashboard emissions and interior contaminants. Number 3. The newspaper polishing trick. One of the more unusual but surprisingly effective Japanese methods for windshield cleaning involves using newspaper for the final polishing step. While it may sound old-fashioned, this trick is still used by many experienced car owners and professional cleaners. Newspaper paper contains very fine fibers and ink compounds that act as a mild polishing agent when rubbed against glass surfaces. This polishing action helps remove microscopic streaks and leftover chemical residue that standard cloths might miss. Some detailing experts report that this technique can improve perceived windshield clarity by up to 20%, especially when driving at night. Headlight glare from oncoming vehicles is significantly reduced when the glass surface is completely free from microscopic streaks and residue. Number 4. The rice water anti-fog cleaning method. One of the most fascinating Japanese windshield cleaning tricks involves using rice water, a simple liquid that most households already have. Rice water is the slightly cloudy liquid left after rinsing rice before cooking, and it contains natural starch compounds that can form a very thin protective layer on glass surfaces. Japanese drivers sometimes use this liquid as a final wipe for the inside of the windshield. A microfiber cloth is lightly dampened with rice water and gently wiped across the glass surface. Afterward, the windshield is buffed with a dry cloth to remove excess moisture and leave behind a barely visible coating. This natural coating helps reduce moisture condensation, which is one of the primary causes of windshield fogging. In humid environments, windshield fogging can reduce visibility by up to 70% in extreme cases, making anti-fog protection extremely valuable. Many drivers who use this method claim that it not only keeps the windshield cleaner for longer, but also reduces fog buildup during cold mornings and rainy weather. Number 5. The raw potato anti-fog cleaning method. One of the most unusual but surprisingly effective Japanese windshield tricks involves using something you probably already have in your kitchen, a raw potato. It may sound strange at first, but this method has actually been used for decades by drivers in humid climates because potatoes contain natural starches that create a temporary anti-fog coating on glass surfaces. To perform this method, cut a raw potato in half and gently rub the flat side across the inside of the windshield. The potato releases a thin layer of starch that spreads across the glass surface. After covering the windshield, use a clean microfiber towel to lightly buff the glass so the surface becomes clear while leaving behind an invisible protective layer. This thin coating helps reduce moisture condensation and prevents fog droplets from forming. Japanese drivers often use this trick before long trips or during rainy seasons because it improves windshield clarity without using chemical anti-fog sprays. Professional detailers explain that the starch molecules in potatoes work similarly to commercial anti-fog products by reducing the surface tension where water droplets normally form. That's all for this video. These Japanese windshield cleaning methods are simple, cheap, and extremely effective. Try these techniques and you might be surprised at how sharp and clear your windshield becomes, almost like driving a brand new car again. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more hidden car maintenance secrets that most drivers never learn.